PESHENG WENG.
Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy TyrekeReacts, aka The Reaction Boss. Welcome to the reaction channel, guys. Yes, y'all have watched the video on the main channel already. You came from the main channel? We're back with the reaction. There's new air, new. No, it's the same reaction boss, but just left on a different channel, sadly. But y'all have heard the story, so we're not gonna bring that to you right now. Like up this video, people, and as usual, comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post. We'll upgrade it. You like the set? Let me know. We're finna have some stickers and baiting in the room. We're finna go crazy. We finna go crazy, even though I'm finna get a new place in a couple of months. But you know what? We have Zinthos, PESHENG WEng WEng, official music video reaction by who? The reaction boss. What we always say? What we always say, people? What do we always say, people? Run tune. Papa? Yes, the pause boss is back. The pause boss is back. Now we see a man on a bike. We see a man on a bike riding with a clown mask. Yo, that me know a play. Yo, where's your boss there?
PESHENG WENG.
Papa, please. If that funny one more time. So, the man probably think about take out no strapping up people. Probably think about take out no strapping up people. I haven't watched the video yet. You know, I haven't watched it yet. I could see what I go on. Yeah. What? Oh, they brought him back. He's back. He is back. The man with the wolf mask is back. The video clean though, not lying. If I'm lying, I'm dying. But he's back. Go on, say it. Grab it up. Everyone them what do every pint them pint man squeezing her chest, squeezing her neck. Hold on. Go on. Squeezing her neck, squeezing her head and stop it. What a damn. Right now it's our official music video we are watch. Yeah, we like it. No, we just don't do that a while ago. We just didn't want to say if you watch a while ago if you're going to say something bad. But go on. Oh, no. See me, you reach them now. You're gone. You're wrong, you know. You're wrong, you know. What I'm saying, I do? Yeah, I like you say, but I'm beat it like slave. No, you can't mention them things that. You cannot mention those things. No. We beating it like, oh, but PESHENG WEng. Right, you need mute. I want go on. I want the jungle bunga go on. Me rash, man. Who mute the thing now? John, no start the first video back how you feel already. Go on. Don't feel like. Don't feel like Mr. China go PESHENG WEng. You hear? Another Chinese them alone speaks up. Another Chinese them alone goes to PESHENG WEng. No. That's something we bring. Him strap goes to two. Him strap goes to PESHENG WEng. Don't ramp with it. Go on. Me just hear them lyrics. I'm just hearing these lyrics. Dog said no drive on the road. He says he doesn't drive on the road. Road me no drive. Sidewalk. Lick down fucking people. Oh no. Holy moly. What? The dog said road me no drive. Sidewalk. Lick down fucking people. And what kind of bad man this having for people better take this man serious now, you know? You better take the PESHENG WEng WEng boss serious now, you know? we not gone nowhere in the video yet. Cause the pause bar is in full effect. And we are cut out the video the right way. Go on.
I know me can't go reason so them say me mad. That me tell you cocky with the needle. When you grenade in the ear, me a man a dog. You know about say them a dead about them man and foot down.
Well, first, you know, that's the NC person my forward, you know. But they think of that. Them think him mad. But that's something we just realize, people. We all take it for we all take the fishing when thing for a joke and everything, but that's the lyrics. You gotta listen to the lyrics that we have put forth. Lyrics that kick out teeth and face and hey, lyrics are bad, lyrics are chop, you know. Lyrics are chop, you know that song, yeah. I'm just open and listen. Lyrics are kick out hurt. Go on.
Pomegranate, the pussy run back in the truck. You for ask for me, I do into slowly gas force. When I go, me just to right for right and I'm machine.
Hey! Hold on, Adija. You know something? I don't know the lyrics. I don't know the lyrics. Me actually there, so I learned the song. Actually, I learned this song because the little clip of my react to phone. That get 10,000 views in a dog. What? Reaction boss? Yo, run up a like one, tear up a like one right now if you watch that video. Go on. The dog said, nah, sing sweet like Dexter Dax and Tommy Chin. I tell you, what? I'm telling you, people, when you tell the Fishing Weng Weng thing for a joke, you know, you take that all, you take it for a joke, you know. But you hear the lyrics, so the bro God put forth on the ears. You are listening to the lyrics. The lyrics. The lyrics? Hey Siri. Say Fishing Weng 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 Weng. She don't know. She can't even say, hey Siri. Fishing Weng Weng.
One option I see is Mazana Fishing Pro
No,
Shop.
never mind. Batty man think you can for fish. Go on. Fishing Weng 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 Weng. Go through a little bit, because I want to see what's going on that video right there. So. You see me? Not necessarily go on that video.
You are not using but thinking I beat it like slave. With the chick of finger in a hand's
The basically I said we all got psychopaths and you want to see what going on with the ride by thing. So they never show what going on with the ride by thing. And that me there so I want to see what going on start of the video now. But anyways, if it's been about TyrekeReacts aka the reaction. Hold on, the way I show where you flip your off brother. Hold on. What would do to you? What would do?
man, I run down the gully and I jump in the grass.
Oh man, you're looking for but anyways, pause. I don't want you to do all that, but yo. You know what? Big up on yourself. We're there back in full effect. Reaction Boss signing out. Peace.